All right, we got this Cummins up here. You can see these really deep dish wide tires. Like look at the back, right? Even look at the front. Very, very wide tires. Survey says 360 and 664. Yeah, so it's 360 horsepower, 664. I've been helping out with the dyno today, which, if you don't know, this is the dyno right here. So we've been running all day. Yeah, so yeah, run number 2 here. And we'll see, because this is the run number 2, full nuts run. See what it does.
All right, here we are.
All right. 492 and 908. So yeah, 492 horsepower, 908 foot-pounds.
492 rear wheel horsepower, 900 foot-pounds.
All right. All right, so it might be a little bit of a brake stand here, because trying to spool up the turbos on this Cummins. Less horsepower at 446, but more torque at 1,012. Wow. Yeah, just absolutely, yeah, less horsepower, but more torque.